This guide provides detailed instructions for integrating Ostorlab into your Harness CI pipeline. Click the menu button. Go to the library. Select API keys. Create new API key. In Harness, go to Project Settings, click on Secrets. Add new secret. Pass the Ostorlab API key you've just created and click Save. Now navigate to your pipeline. Add a run step. Pass the run script in command section. Go to Optional Configuration and add your environment variables. Apply changes and save. You can now run your pipeline that includes the Ostorlab scan. In this guide, you've learned how to integrate Ostorlab scan seamlessly into your Harness CI pipeline.